Why does your scanner show the P1367 engine code? What does it mean? P1367 is a diagnostic trouble code for top dead center sensor 2. No signal. The P1367 engine code for indicate your vehicle's make, usually pointing to a failure in the ignition system or the camshaft position sensor circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed ignition coil. Bad camshaft position. Damaged wiring or corroded connectors. Mechanical timing issues. Faulty ignition control module or PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chrysler, Mustang, Jeep, Ford, and Peugeot. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.